Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Moss. I'm the membership coordinator at Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, and we have our first interview with our new thing, Maker's Mic. And our first interview is with Mr. Keith Puckett from Steel Materials. So thank you for being here, Keith.
Hey, good morning, Kenzie. Thank you for having me.
Of course. So we'll just jump right into it. Can you give me just an overview of what Steel Materials does?
Sure. So, Steel Materials is a fabrication shop based out of Cartersville, Georgia, and we offer a wide range of services, everything from contract manufacturing to custom fabrication. We have multiple lasers, and we also have our own powder coating line.
Nice. How long has Steel Materials been in business?
We opened our doors in October of 1987.
Wow. So y'all have a lot of experience in this field for sure.
Yes, ma'am.
What brought you to Steel Materials?
Well, I came to Steel Materials in 2016, and at the time, I was working for an elevator company in Atlanta, and I was looking for a way to improve my work-life balance. Um, and it brought me here to Steel Materials. So,
Nice, nice. What sets Steel Materials apart from other companies in the same manufacturing setting?
well, multiple things. I think the biggest one, though, is that we have the equipment to do mid-volume production runs. So we're contract manufacturers, but we don't require any minimum order. So we give a individual the same attention we would give a larger company. I think that makes us very unique.
Does Steel Materials do one set thing, or do you go through the whole entire process? How broad do y'all get with your services?
So since the beginning, one of our slogans has been, "If you can dream it, we can build it." I don't know that we've really hit a mark in the fabrication world that we back down from. Um, yeah, we will tackle everything from a ornate gate and a spiral staircase, but we also do production runs. Multiple parts. Uh,
Nice. Is there any job that you've done in Georgia that people would recognize or have heard about?
I'm sure. That's a big question. I know we did a lot of the handrails at one of the baseball stadiums at UGA.
Wow, that's
Uh, we've worked with a lot of companies that have taken our products and put them. I know some of our stuff is at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. We've done a lot of conveyor parts that have ended up in some of the larger warehouses in the city.
that's awesome. So it sounds like y'all kind of connect with a lot of different parts of the manufacturing world, which is one of the big reasons why I wanted to do this interview with you. I kind of want to know what is a lesson that you have learned through your many years of experience that you wish someone would have told you at the beginning?
That's a tough question. There's a lot, but if I had to narrow it down to just one, I would say protect your time. Learn how to strategically plan your day, your week, your month, and I would couple that with make sure that you fully utilize your team. For the first few years that I held a management position, I tried to do everything myself, and it took me a while to learn just how limiting that approach is.
I agree with that. Uh, my previous job was being a teacher, and being a teacher, you're the only adult in the room most of the time. So you kind of get used to taking on everything yourself. But it's really great when you have a team that kind of turns into a family and you can utilize all of their expertise and kind of it's okay to take something off of your own plate and utilize the people around you.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
what are some trends in the manufacturing world that are impacting your business?
Well, the biggest trend that everybody's talking about right now is the talk of a lot of manufacturers trying to reshare their business back in the States, which provides a really great opportunity for steel materials. We're very excited about this. And as far as preparation, our CEO started to hire new team members this past March to ensure that they would be fully onboarded and ready to go for when this expected increase in workflow hits.
So it sounds like y'all are preparing for that big change.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
what makes so I think what makes steel materials different and what I've heard from Jason is y'all, and forgive me if I mix this up a little bit, but y'all produce the product, you come up with ideas, you package it, you ship it. Is that, do you do all of it?
Yes, ma'am. And that does make us unique in it's very rare for a client's project to ever leave our floor because we have all of our own equipment. We're not outsourcing the cutting or the welding or the powder coating. It's all in house, and that's great for many reasons. The biggest one might be is it enables us to control the lead time. I control every end of your project. Um, it also enables me to put my eyes on your project at any given time.
That's awesome. I know that Jason really looks up to you, and you're a huge contributor to Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, and we really appreciate it. Um,
Thank you.
what is your what is the best way to contact you? LinkedIn, email, phone? How can people contact you?
Yeah, so I am everywhere on LinkedIn. That would be a great way to make contact. You could also reach me via email. My email is Keith, Keith, at steelmaterials.com.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for meeting with me today and making the Maker's Mike's first interview. I think we did great. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Kinsey.